Now the students of class 11th of physical education, this is unit 10, training and doping in sports. So training and doping in sports, in this unit we will concentrate today on the concept of sports training. A sports training is considered long-term training program by which the sports person improve their performance very easily. It makes a sports person physiologically and psychologically improve their performance while the performing sports or games activity or competition. Sports training is planned process by which a sports person acquired the perfection. The purpose of the sports training is to get best performance at particular time. Through this concept or through this training period, the sports person can improve their performance very easily while the sports or games activity. So sports programs are just separated for years and years. 1 year the training program is divided into 3 parts. Number 1 is the preparatory part, number 2 is the competition part, and number 3, third is the transitional part. So training method consists of training periods. Training methods consist of training periods which split into training sections, just like the sections, and training sections are further divided into the training schedule. These are the different type of the schedule. These are the schedules, so which are made by various schedules as per the workout or load of the work. Training methods are further programs for quarterly, half-yearly, annually, etc. And these are the result based process, and it performs regarding the in a very progressive way through macro cycle, which is depend on the month's workout plan. Second one, the meso cycle, it is depend on the week's workout plan. And next one is the micro cycle, it is depend on the day's workout plan. So training in sports is followed in a systematic way of schedule and these sections also. Training involves sufficient repetitions of work, and in training the basic skills is repeatedly the practice until their mastery is achieved, or we can say the whole schedule has applied by the sports person till the complete or success in their work or activity. The advanced skills are the practiced only after achieving the mastery of basic skills. Training program has to be planned previously, and they should follow the systematic progression without bringing decline in performance, and it has to be followed with proper loading and adaptation. It should have sufficient rest and recovery also. It should consider motivational factors for best results. In this various type of the schedule or sections, through the sports training, the sports person can improve their performance very easily in their sports or games activity or while the sports or games activity. In next part we will carry on these type of the programs or sections through which how the sports person can improve their performance. Thank you.